Hi guys. Karon mag-walking mi diri. Ganahan ko diri guys kay tanawa ra gud ang dalan oh. Oh, yellow gid siya tanan paingon didto sa Tumoy. Unsa man yung basurahan oy? Kinahanglan man ibalik. Di na ako natandugon oy kay basurahan bahala na din ha. So, daghan gani diri kuan kaning mga birdies sa kilid. Dayon. Ang ubos ani niya is railway train. Railway. Of course, ang alag railway sa... Ala, ang ila! Dad, ilaga. There's a cat. Look at the cat running. Ito tingdagan sa ilaga na hadlok sa akong David. Na, railway diha. Ah, the cat stop. Maayo po ni Ringa kay Jinghunong di ay po town. So, napikid sila flag diha oh. Balay dihang lapitan ay flag. Naka-walking mi diri sa una murag ka isa. Naa si Dennis ato. Did Dennis with us the last time here walking? Ah, in English kinamatis. Dad, did we have Dennis the last time we're walking here? Did we have Dennis the last time we're walking here, huh? Oh yeah, I remember. Naadi ay. Where? Yeah. There's so many birds underneath here. Oh, I see it. Kamay kayo. Hindi mo kita. Kaning yellow gorse ang tawag mo ni siya ang hait kayo nga kuan. Gwapo ni siya kuan sa Pilipinas. Oh, gwapo ni siya unsa ni? Ikoral sa Pilipinas ba? Nya ugnay mo agi nga hubog sa inyong balay, tusok ang kunot, tusok ang lubot oh. Hait kay ni. Pwede na siya ikoral. Tanawa oh. Pero grabe gyud ka tunokon. Sakit ra ba kaayo? Murag gyud siya dagom. Pwede na siya tusok sa imuhang kanang dalunggan. Nanapoy train?
Yeah.
Another train ni Agi o train. Train na sad to ara train. Ikaduha na ng train ni Agi. Primero dito pa mistulay ni Agi nga train. Unsa gipangita nimo dad?
What?
Unsa imong gipangita?
Bird's nest.
Nakasabot di eh. Nya unsaon man nimo? What will you do if you get the bird's nest?
Fried egg.
Fried eggs imong kunot.
Very hard.
I hope. Yeah, I know it's hard to find the nest.
Not that hard.
Oh, no? I know that. Tara. So, muna akong ganahan diri. Ganahan ko sa ilang dalan kay mura bito siya kanang gituyo nga. Oh well, gituyo ginaghimo ang dalan. Akong pasabot ba mura gituyo siya nga kanang ingon ani ang settings nga ana. Ang gituyo gid lagi na. Puro nito. Ay napa dito kunuhay kuan kanang kabayo na kabayo.
I walked up there.
Yeah, the last time?
Right round.
Asa? Oh yeah?
Look at that. What's that?
Ah, unsa man?
On that side. Oh, it's
Ah, yeah. For the football whatever
no.
before.
No, on the banking.
Unsay banking?
No banking. Banking. There.
Unsay banking?
There.
What is banking?
The banking's like that. Never heard of banking.
Oh, that one that's banking?
Yeah.
Is that light?
That's
Oh,
what
mga
it's
lights di ay na. Ha?
Yeah.
Nganong na may lights? What for? What is that for?
Let the rabbit see about the pee.
Rabbit para man asa train ay kurunto.
Nothing to do with the train.
So why you put the banking in there? Why you put the lights in the banking?
Banking's there.
What?
Banking's there. Fuck.
Ah, look at the birdies. Oh, we don't have food, no? Look at the bottom. At the bottom. Amon to.
Oh dear.
Tago ang pungpong. Nara. Lupad. Ala. Yellow tit. You call it, what is that? Yellow tit. Bird.
Yeah.
Ay, nako. Nice kayo ang gorse, no? It's nice to look, but you know what? It's very spiky. Dad, I said a while ago ba, this is nice for like a fencing, you know, make it as a fence in your house.
Yeah.
And then the hubog will, ang hubog matusok yung lubot.
Waking up.
Makamata ko ng hubog kung Kung makuan ka ng sani.
You're waking up.
Kung maigo ana basta kay sakit juga na. I don't know. Why the gores are like that?
I don't know.
May birds sa sulod. Can you see the birds?
I'm not looking for the bird.
To the sound. Nice getting sounds of birds. Yeah. What, that sparrow? Huh? Narabay kanta ng sparrow. If that isn't love, the ocean is high, there's no stars in the sky, and the sparrow can fly. If that isn't love, na 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 na. There's no feeling like this. If that isn't love. He lived the splendor of heaven, knowing our destiny is the one, the hill of Golgotha. Hello, Dad. Dad, I saw the bird, Dad, bringing. No, it's like that. Oh, what's that? It's like that. Oh, it's like a hay. No, like that, but white bit. I saw it, and it's flying like that, like that. I can see it. If I move it again, and then make it like a slow motion, and then I can see it. Maybe later I'll try it. I saw that bird. Nagdala og kuan, nagsalag to ba? Dalag sagbot nga laya. Sagbot nga laya. So the ending here, Dad, is if you go round, it's a house, Dad, no? It's housing here?
We would come already.
That one there ba?
We come this way.
Before?
Come this way. How do you go over that side?
Before? So can we go round or what?
We'll be able to go around.
Is it far to go? Is it far to go?
Don't know.
You haven't decided yet. Kani pag autumn nindot kani dire. If autumn time, Dad, no? This is nice, no? Autumn time. Bye na, guys.